My name is Bhavani. I completed my graduation and joined IIES to improve my skill in embedded system. The institute provides theoretical and practical knowledge through real-time projects in C, C++, data structure, Python, and hardware modules like embedded C, Linux, ARM, and other microcontrollers. The mentors are truly experienced and approachable and always ready to solve our doubts with patience. What I truly appreciate is the placement team. They are very dedicated to make the students get placed in a reputed company. With their guidance and support, I got placed as an embedded firmware engineer in Vimukti Solutions. I also recommend others to join those who want to pursue and improve their knowledge in embedded system. Thank you.